subscribe to our channel.
12 Natural Remedies for Anxiety. 1. Chamomile. If you have periods of nervousness, a cup of chamomile tea may help calm you down. Some of the compounds in chamomile interact with the brain receptors the same way that certain drugs do, such as Valium. In a study at the University of Pennsylvania, patients with generalized anxiety disorder who took supplements of chamomile for 8 weeks had a significant decrease in their anxiety symptoms compared to patients who were only taking a placebo. 2. Green tea. Research shows that green tea helps control heart rate and regulate blood pressure, and some lesser studies have found that it reduces anxiety in humans. In one study, the test subjects prone to anxiety were found to be calmer and more focused during a test if they took 200 milligrams of green tea beforehand. 3. Hops. Yes, it is found in beer, but you will not get the soothing benefits of it by drinking a beer. The sedative compound found in hops is a volatile oil, which is only contained in extracts and tinctures such as those used in aromatherapy. Hops is often used as a sedative, to help promote drowsiness and induce sleep. 4. Valerian root. Valerian root is a sedative herb. It is a great aid for sleep, to treat insomnia. In fact, the German government has approved it as a treatment for sleep disorders. Valerian root smells unpleasant, so most people take it in capsules. Valerian root is often combined with other sedative herbs such as hops, chamomile, and lemon balm. 5. Exercise. Exercise is safe and good for the mind. It is also a powerful antidote against depression and anxiety, both in the short and long term. If you exercise regularly, you will have greater self-esteem and feel healthier. One of the main causes of anxiety is worrying about sickness and health, which dissipates when you're in shape. 6. Passion flower. This flower is a sedative that the German government has approved to treat nervous anxiety. Some studies have found that it can reduce anxiety symptoms as effectively as prescription drugs. It is often used for insomnia. Like other sedatives, it can cause drowsiness. Be careful with the use of more than one sedative herb at a time, and do not take passion flower for more than a month continuously. 7. Lavender. The strong scent of lavender can be anti-inflammatory. One study found that patients waiting to see the dentist were less anxious if the waiting room was scented with lavender oil. In another study in Florida, students who inhaled the scent of lavender before a test felt less anxiety. In a study in Germany, a specially formulated lavender pill was shown to reduce the anxiety symptoms in people with generalized anxiety disorder as effectively as lorazepam, an anti-anxiety medication in the same class as Valium. 8. Deep breathing. Yoga deep breathing has proven effective in reducing stress and anxiety. One reason it works is that you cannot breathe deeply and at the same time be anxious. To take a deep breath, exhale completely through your mouth, then inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Now let it out slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this at least twice daily. 9. If you're hungry, eat. Usually people tend to be more anxious and irritable when they're hungry. Sometimes when you have an anxiety attack, it may mean that your blood sugar is falling. The best remedy is to have a snack such as a handful of nuts or a piece of dark chocolate together with a glass of water or a cup of hot tea. 10. Breakfast. Many people with anxiety disorders skip breakfast. Ideally, you should eat foods such as eggs for breakfast, as it is a satisfying protein and a natural source of choline. Low levels of choline are associated with increased anxiety. 11. Omega-3. Fish oils are good for the heart, but can also help combat anxiety. In one study, students who consumed 2.5 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per day for 12 weeks had less anxiety before an exam than students who took a placebo. 12. Heat up the body. Have you ever asked yourself why you feel so relaxed after a sauna or steam bath? Warming our body helps reduce muscle tension and anxiety. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.